The Product Factory is a fantastic opportunity to build upon your catalog with bespoke windows and also with doors as well. Select on the custom window option and it will open up the Product Factory. First, tell it what type of window that you're going to have. Is it fixed? Is it sliding? Is it single hung? Is it casement? And then simply click Next. The little visual off to the right will update and show you the changes that you're making in real time. Now ask if there's any glazing bars, and if there is, what style is it in and what's the width that they're in. Once you've finished customizing that, click Next. Now we get into the overall size of the unit itself. So I'm going to make this unit 5 feet wide and 6 feet tall. Once I have that unit, I can divide it into panels. So I'm going to say that it's 3 panels wide. Click Next. Now you have the opportunity for materials. What's the material on the outside facing part of the window and what's the material on the inside facing? So you can change those materials to any custom color you want as well. Just type in their value and you'll be able to type those in for the inside and also for the outside. Once that's done, you simply click Next. Now you just have to give it a name. So I'm going to call it 3-panel 6-foot window. Whatever you type in here is what's going to appear in the catalog. So you have to make sure that it's telling so you recognize it for future use. You can also give it a value. So I'll just put $900 and the manufacturer, Sam's Windows. And if there's a SKU number involved as well, so that you can do that for ordering purposes. Click Next. Then you get into just a kind of an overview of everything that you included when you were specifying this window. It gives you all of those choices and allows you to go back to make any changes or hit Finish to add that into your catalog. When I hit Finish, hit Yes, it saves it into my catalog. So now I see my new window added in and I can put that into my projects and visualize it in 3D.